The paper looked at the behavior measured by the discussion of parliamentarians in Egypt's parliament over a period of 10 years, from 2000 till 2010. This period includes 2 parliamentary sessions. The interest was about the question, do really parliamentarians can hold the government accountable for its fiscal behavior through the data that the government revealed to them or not? The main findings actually that they can, if they got the right data, and actually, if I may recap, if they ask it for the right data. And most likely they don't ask for the data that hold the government accountable at large, but they are interested just in data that hold the government accountable in their own places and to serve their own constituencies. Which means that they are interested about the projects that the government will do in a very specific local area, but they are not interested at large about issues of debt, deficit, impact of pension system on the fiscal stance, impact of wages, of civil service, of fiscal stance, because this is all shared at large, and its negative impact is shared at large. But they are so much seeking the data, and by saying seeking the data, they're seeking the data for themselves. They don't want to declare even the data on the public and the parliament. Why they don't want this data to be declared in the parliament? Because they have concerns that if the government go to the parliament and announce the funding formula, by funding formula we mean the way that the government allocate resources among different constituencies, among different local areas in the country. If the government go and declare this in the parliament, every parliamentarian will be able to do some assessment and some calculations to the fair portion of his or her constituencies. And many parliamentarians think actually that they got more for their constituencies by opacity, by not pushing the government to reveal this data. They got for their constituencies because of their political power, and because they can exert pressure on the government, they got more than their constituencies actually deserve. So they like opacity.